Welcome to Study Point. Here we are discussing some important questions of computer networks and internet. The first question is, what are nodes in a computer network? Given options: A. The computer that routes the data. B. The computer that terminates the data. C. The computer that originates the data. D. All of the mentioned. So here correct answer is option D, all of the above. In a computer network, a node can be anything that is capable of sending data or receiving data or even routing the data to its destination. Routers, computers, and smartphones are some examples of network nodes. Next question: how many layers are there in the ISO OSI reference model? Given options are option A 7, B 5, C4, D6. Your correct answer is option A, 7 layers. The 7 layers in ISO OSI reference model is application layer, presentation layer, session layer, transport layer, network layer, data link layer, and physical layer. OSI stands for Open System Interconnection and it is a generalized model. Next question: what is the full form of OSI? Given options are A. Optical Service Implementation, B. Open Service Internet, C. Open System Interconnection, D. Operating System Interface. Your correct answer is Open System Interconnection. OSI is the abbreviation for Open System Interconnection. OSI model provides a structured plan on how applications communicate over a network, which also help us to have a structured plan for troubleshooting. It is recognized by the ISO as the generalized model for computer networks. That is, it can be modified to design any kind of computer network. So here ISO means International Standard Organization. Next question: how is a single channel shared by multiple signals in a computer network? Here given options are option A multiplexing, B phase modulation, C analog modulation, D digital modulation. The correct answer is option A multiplexing. So what is multiplexing? In communication and computer networks, the main goal is to share a scarce resource. This is done by multiplexing, where multiple analog or digital signals are combined into one signal over a shared medium. The multiple kinds of signals are designated by the transport layers, which is the layer present on a higher level than the physical layer. Next question: what is the term for an endpoint of an inter-process communication flow across a computer network? Given options are A port, B machine, C socket, D pipe. Your correct answer is option C socket. So what is socket? Socket is one endpoint in a two-way communication link in the network. TCP layer can identify the application that data is destined to the send by using the port number that is bound to socket.